Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a spend the day with me, and it's a little bit of everything. I had to stop by work today and get a few things done. I had to go by the store and get me something for lunch before heading home and getting all of the daily chores that need to be done finished. So I've got cleaning, cooking, laundry, picking up, daily chores, all of that in this video. So I hope you guys like it. So I didn't get much at Aldi's. I just got a couple things, but the other day I was watching Mandy in the Making, and she had these chicken breast fillets and said they were really good and kind of reminded her of Chick-fil-A, so I thought I'd get those and eat them for lunch. And then I just got some bananas and some salad mix. So I just got home from the store, and I'm going to go ahead and put maybe one of these in the air fryer. Yeah, I'm just going to do one because they're pretty big. I'm going to put it in the air fryer and turn it on to cook, and then I'm going to make a salad for it to go on. And it looks like this is a resealable bag, so we're going to cut this all the way across. I didn't think about it. I didn't think about it at all, but I should have got buns while I was at Aldi, and I could have made like a chicken sandwich. But we'll know for next time. Oh, yeah. And the bag's resealable, so that's nice. So this is my finished meal today. I've got half my plate full of salad, and then I just wanted this chicken breast with the Polynesian sauce. This is from Cookout. So that's my lunch for today. So I wanted to show you guys the side of this chicken breast so you can see that it's actually like real chicken, not the pressed chicken like school has. But this was really, really good, and if you've not tried them, go grab them and give them a try. Keeping us close, but it's strange now. Dreams holding us closer. Meadows of our youth, 107 days, recalling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so. So I'm back home now, and I have started to do this a ton of times, and I have stopped or got unmotivated and just didn't do it. But I'm gonna work on my bedroom and try to get some things cleared out. It needs it bad, y'all. Like, it needs it real bad. And I need it really bad because it is taking a toll on me. Like, it is just not putting me in a good like headspace. So I've got Mandy in the Making on my TV, and she is super motivating. I love her videos, so if you haven't watched her, go check her out and see if you like her videos. If you like mine, there's no doubt about it, you'll love hers. They are so good. And if you like cooking videos, like, it's right up your alley. So I've got her on. I'm gonna try to get some cleaning done, so let's get into it. So clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. So I've got a lavender one in my air wick, but I really want something like light and fresh. So I'm going to change it out for this Hawaiian one, and then I'm going to just save this lavender one for a little bit later. I like to switch these out every so often because I feel like I get used to the smells. So I'm going to trade these out for today. Oh, got it on my bed. That'll be okay, won't it? And I'm going to put this one up to switch it out later. And then I've literally got a huge stack of papers here that needs to be gone through that I've been putting off and putting off. So I'm gonna throw hopefully most of these out. Oh, you guys are down here. Hold on. Okay, so I'm taking a little bit of a break, and I'm eating this brownie. These are fiber brownies, but I just like them. Like, I don't eat them because they're fiber brownies. I eat them because they're really good, and they're better than like the Fiber One brownies, like the name brand. These don't taste like anything but a brownie. Like, they just taste like a really good brownie, kind of like a cosmic brownie almost, but not as like doughy, chewy. But these are so good.
It's burning, my heart is catching fire. I just feel so fine with this fire, this fire, this fire, this
And as always, thank you guys so much for spending some time with me today. I hope you guys got some inspiration and motivation from this video, and I will see you on the next one.